Hey, it's Dan Nickerson, and this is a neat trick that I just discovered today on how to move one page out of, let's say, dozens to the very top of your WordPress page list. So let's just say, for example, you have a lot of pages like I do on this example site that I'm using, and I edit my front page periodically, and I prefer if it was actually at the top. Well, WordPress has a page ordering system. In order to use it properly, you have to number every single page in the system, right, to get the order that you want. But the neat trick that I discovered pushes any page you want immediately to the top. You don't need a special function. You don't need a page ordering plugin. It'll take you 2 seconds, and here's how you do it. So I want to find my front page, and I want to move it to the top. So I scroll down. Here's my front page. I click on Edit. I go in here to Order, and I type in -1, and I click on Update, and then I go back to Pages. And you can see now it's pushed to the top. So every time I log in, it's going to be right there at the top, and I can easily edit that page. And so if you have hundreds of pages, and if you don't want to have to reorder them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., you can just do -1, -2, -3, and the lowest negative number will push it to the top. So I can't think of any negative repercussions for doing this, no pun intended. If you're already using page ordering, then you'd have a page order widget, and so it wouldn't make sense because it wouldn't conflict because you're already doing it anyhow. So if you have a large number of pages and you just want to push certain pages to the very top of your dashboard, you can just use the negative number. So that's my quick tip. This is all, by the way, this is all part of my I Am Codex site. Actually, it's one of the tips that I've added. Right now I'm having a special offer. It's just $17 and you get a 1-year access to the hundreds of tips and all the checklists and all the other benefits that are in here in the back end. So it's pretty cool. So basically, if I'm logged in here and I click in, let's just say optimization, for example, it pulls up all different kinds of optimization tips, right? I've got things like business strategy generators, code shortcuts, graphic resources, recommended tools. I got all kinds of stuff. So anyhow, check it out if you like that tip that I gave you. There's plenty more on I Am Codex, and I hope this tip was helpful. Thanks.